Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Coffee with Kaylee, your weekly mind hack for better focus and better results. Today, I have a quote by Jim Carrey. If you haven't seen his commencement speech that he did a few years ago, I highly recommend going to watch that. It is an incredible speech, very inspirational. But one thing that he did say was, if you can fail at what you don't want, you might as well take a chance on doing what you love. And what that means is that if you're in a job that you hate, or you're doing things that you feel obligated that you must be doing, this is the only way out, this is the only way that you can do things, that can disappear in an instant. So he gave an example of his dad doing a job that he hated for many years because he felt that he had to, and he wished he was doing something else, but he never did. He stayed in that lane that he hated, and that job let him go. They had huge cutbacks. And so what Jim Carrey witnessed was that if you don't want something, you don't have to do that, because you can also fail at that too, and it can be completely out of your control. So guys, take chances, do things that you love, that bring you fulfillment. Try to combine the two, or at least add it into your daily lives, doing things that you love and bring you joy, because you can fail at the things that you don't want also. So that is your message for this week. You guys take that, run with it, have a fabulous week, and I will see you next time.